Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11, and today I will show you how to restore the device from the backup using iTunes. So before we get started, you will need a couple things. Number one is, iTunes. Assuming you're using Windows and you don't have it, you can get it from the Apple website. And if you're using a Apple-based computer, then you don't need to do anything associated with iTunes. It's already installed on there. And then the second thing you'll need is the cable that you use for charging. Plug it into the computer that you will be using and then connect it to the device itself. And now we get a syncing. Give it a moment. It needs to finish. As you can see, the buttons are not really clickable at the moment. Okay, so once it's finished, you can then tap on Restore Backup, and then you get to select which one you want. So there is the device's name, and it's the iPhone for me. There are a couple other ones like iPads and stuff, so select whatever yours is. And then you also have the specific time. So both of them are created today. It's gonna up like this, and click on Restore. Now, if you haven't done this previously, there should be only one file, which is the one that is created by iTunes whenever you plug it in. And if you have done that previously, then you'll have to choose from the ones that were visible. They're basically created each time separately whenever you click the button. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the process is basically going on right now on the phone. As you can see, now the process is finished. So you can unlock it, you can actually unplug it now, it's not needed anymore, and knock over the stand. So basically, you can go to the setup process again quickly, continue. No, I actually didn't want it. To cancel. Passcode options, hello. There we go, don't use, and don't use. And there it is. Now the process is finished. So that is how you restore a device from a previous backup. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.